Wanna take the culture but don't even respect it. Take us out the memo but make us entertainment. Extracting the flavor, don't make it real. Not the real flavor, an imitation pill. The straight audacity, promoting unity, yet causing casualty to what we make. Creates the fallacy of originality because we know what you promote is fake. It's not you. Wish you walk a mile in ours, but you stole the shoes. So true, not everyone's the cause. This is for the people that wanna take what's ours without tears, hardships, or emotional scars. Look.
I got what you want. I got what you want now.
Say it loud up for the people in the back. You're replicating slavery times as a fact. And even after that, punk rock and the funk music had a taste of the tempo and I wanna lose it. You wanna take the I out the equation and make it you. Let me be clear, this isn't targeted to all of you. It's for the ones that really think we don't deserve to live. If the things that we make are all we have to give, or take a second to hear what we have to say, or even relate to the systematic everyday. Unity is what the end goal is here, but a challenge to a stolen throne is all they hear. They replaced all the love with straight fear. Sometimes I really think they all want us to disappear. When you challenge them, the conversation steers away. Then they continue the plot for another day.
I got what you want. I got what you want. I got what you want. I got everybody wanna taste. I got what you want. Brown sugar gonna make you elevate. Try to imitate it, won't you? I got what you want. Keep it out of your neighborhood. I got everybody wanna taste. I got what you want. Brown sugar gonna make you elevate. Try to imitate it, won't you? I got what you want. Keep it out of your neighborhood.
I love you, that's the standing line we live by. Living life with you is the only way I'll get high. When the paper's due, spin it on you and now to get by. You are the flower and I am pollination, always be by your side. When I was alone, I was a lost kite, flying through the skies of my uncertainty and hard times. With her, I have attributes that hit you with these hard rhymes. I was just a beating, bleeding heart, but she's the enzymes.
Got you here alone. Got me in the mood. Hope that you would know. By myself, I'm true. By myself, I'm true. Got you here alone. Got me in the mood. Hope that you would know. By myself, I'm true. By myself, I'm true.
We keep the love train on track. Oh baby, I am like a spinal cord, I got your back. Sometimes I wonder how we found our love, but I never question blessings that's from up above. Corona days had us dazed and confused, but at the end of the day, we had each other and a daughter, so we both advocate the love to grow with one another every day. I can't do this with another, nah, never thought being apart, left in the dark. Where do I start? I can't fathom not being able to be the guiding light that my daughter needs. How can you plant the seed and then refuse to grow the tree? That's never me, so I strive to be the better man. The foundation of indication of better judgment that wasn't got it wrong and staying strong. Just like a wayward song, we carry on, and no matter where we live, if I got them, we make it home.
Got you here alone. Got me in the mood. Hope that you would know. By myself, I'm true. By myself, I'm true. Got you here alone. Got me in the mood. true.